Anyway, I am going to go through all of the purchases that I made because it's been a while since I have done like a really big supply haul, and y'all ate me up in the comments on one of my shorts that I did when I was talking about bulk purchasing and how prices were going to go up, and they did. Now, this is everything that I purchased. Again, I need to do my inventory, make sure that they send me everything that I purchased because it was a lot. I'll tell you how much at the end. But we got dog food, floss, shampoo, face moisturizer, deodorant, cocoa butter, soft wax, hard wax. I just purchased these Blue Land dishwasher detergent tablets, and I'm excited to see how those work, because they are fragrance free. They don't have any plastic. See, all power, no plastic, fragrance free, and it's supposed to be healthier for you. Cling wrap. Oh, I bought these magic erasers. They were a lot cheaper. I'm sorry, not magic sponges. These are a lot cheaper than the magic erasers, so we'll see if they do the same job. Of course, I had to get baking soda, my #1 favorite product, I swear. This stuff actually can save your life. I don't know how much, but sodium bicarbonate is one of the drugs that we use in resuscitation. I might ask ChatGPT because I was like, that's pretty interesting. Okay, moving on. Tissue, which I think they owe me some tissue because I could have swore that I had two. But I also have some laundry detergent, alcohol, bleach, vinegar, Castile soap, Aveeno, my favorite all-time face wash, and my favorite all-time sunscreen, more body wash, the Bay, toilet cleaner, more toilet cleaner. Oh, this right here and the magic eraser or the magic sponge is the business, okay? If you don't like cleaning your shower and you don't want to break your arm, spray it down, walk away, come back with the magic eraser, and poof, it's gone. Oh, to keep your pearly whites white, Crest 3D. And I got some Nivea lotion, some Aussie Moist conditioner, which I think I had 2 of those also, and Dawn Platinum. Oh, and Mr. Clean. And some hand soap. Oh, and my favorite mouthwash. Okay, that's enough, right? So now we just gotta put it in the closet. And I need to fix the closet because it is definitely unorganized. Whew, okay. Let's do that. Let's fix it up. And this is the finished product. And just like that, I'm ready for the next 12 months or more. This takes so much stress out of maintaining your supplies in your house, I promise. And you know how much you're gonna spend, roughly. All right, here's a quick little tour. This is the shelf that I purchased Actually, I think I still had a tag on it, y'all. The tag is still on this thing. All right, so it's a 4x16" shelf with an extender. So normally the shelves stop here, but this one has like this little extension. And the reason I purchased this is because I put my bookcases in here. Well, one bookcase. I put one bookcase in here so I can use my vertical storage, and I keep my hair dryer up here. So when I do like a wash and go, which is really not a wash and go, but a wash and go look, I can use that and just some other supplies. All right, so this is everything that's in this closet, and I wanted to just show you two things. One, these S-hooks are so cool. I like to use these in the bathroom, in my closet, for my clothes, and I also like to use it in this closet to hang up extra cleaning tools. My scraper to help me get all of that goo gone and baking soda up, and then my cleaning caddy, which I absolutely love. This right here is a game changer. Okay, when it's time to clean up, when I pull this out, it's about to go down. 2 hours flat, house about to be clean. Less than that if I got music going. But yeah, this is my little command center for cleaning and supplies for the house. It makes my life so much easier. Let me show you why I like this little cleaning caddy. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. All right, so when it's time to clean, I just go in there, grab it from here, and if I really wanted to like put my foot down in this house and like really clean, I literally could attach this thing to me. Let me show you. Boom. And it is adjustable, so you can make this bigger. This is the tightest that it gets, actually. So anything you need is right there. You hands free. You can do whatever you need to do. This works really good if you have a big house, or if you just like needed to, like, let's say you need to get on the ladder and you need multiple things. Bam, it's like a cleaning tool belt and bag in one. Now, it also has a longer strap. So let's just say you want to carry it on your shoulder. You can carry it on your shoulder. It has like a little pad on this side. So then, boom, you like this. You like this with it, right? Let's clip this back so it's not hanging. So now you got this option. Oh, and then you see how I got this tucked in here. Let's just say I wanted it to hang off the bag. I got a little clip. I could do like that. Now I wouldn't do that because it's kind of impractical. It makes using this a little bit harder. I can't just grab it. I gotta unlock it. But yeah, you get the point. So yeah, if you want to upgrade your cleaning routine, get yourself a cleaning bag or a cart. I would get a cart if I had a house, like a big house, and I needed like a lot of products. But honestly, no, I'm lying. I wouldn't get a cart. I use carts for other things, and I'll show you that in another video. But this is a nice bag because it has a lot of space and you can reconfigure it. Let me show you. All right, so the bag has Velcro. So let's just say I want to have more space here. I can just unvelcro it and then this section will be bigger. Or I could take the whole thing out and just, you know, go with the open space, which I wouldn't do because my OCD mind loves to compartmentalize and categorize. But yeah, this is a really, really nice bag. It also has a zipper and a pouch back here. So you can store, like, let's just say you had like little packets or something. or a razor to like scrape stuff, whatever, something that you don't want to just like reach in and then cut your hand or something like that, you can put that on the side in here and have it secured. Things that you reach for frequently, you can have over here in a pocket. I just cut up some magic erasers because I use them a lot. I have extra Swiffers in here, which is nice. And then I like to keep my Swiffer in this one. Extra sponges, gloves. What do I have in here? Squeegees. This is a mirror cleaning cloth, which is really nice because it doesn't leave any streaks and you don't even have to use any product with it. Sometimes I don't use this and sometimes I do. If I'm doing like a 2-minute, 5-minute quick clean, I'll use this. But if I want to like really get the mirrors like clean, I'll use the vinegar and water solution that I make, and I'll use my squeegee. But again, that takes more time, so I don't do it all the time. Toothbrush for cleaning, Tilex mold and mildew remover, my favorite for the tub, and some squirt and mop for the floors. Smells really good. I love to use this in the entryway because that is the highest traffic. I mean, anybody that comes in has to walk through the entryway, so I use that there. Goo Gone, just in case. And I like the Method all-purpose cleaner. Now, I didn't purchase this again. I don't know if I'm going to re-up on it. I don't know. I just like using this because it has a really fun smell. Yeah, the pink grapefruit smell really makes me happy. I don't know. I like that smell. And it's plant-based cleaning power, so it's supposed to be good. It doesn't trigger me. Some stuff does trigger me. Like, I'm not a big fragrance girl. I only have 2 perfumes. But this I can do. And then I use the 7th generation toilet bowl cleaner. And that's it. That's it. Besides, you know, bleach and vinegar and baking soda. I don't use a whole lot of products. Oh, and I use Mr. Clean. Yeah. So that is my caddy. And then, oh, lastly, I have this little net pocket over here, which is nice. I use this if I use like a sponge or something like that, or something that's wet, or even if I use this to clean a mirror, I'll put it over here so that it can breathe. But yeah, that is my cleaning bag in a nutshell. Don't mind my nails. I'm getting them done after I finish filming today. Okay, earlier I mentioned that I put a bookshelf on the other side of the closet, and this is that bookshelf. It has a drawer at the bottom, and then I just try to compartmentalize things by putting them in bags. Here's a file box. This is my drills, all of my like extra spare hardware, any tape, another tool box, tool bag, and like some leftover products or pieces from different things like pack systems, TV mounts, and stuff like that. Just keep that there. My sewing machine, more files, pictures. So this is actually fireproof. I really like this because all of my old school pictures, like non-digital camera pictures, yeah, gotta protect those. And then like memorabilia stuff, manuals, extra photo albums, and just some more stuff stored. And so that is how I stay organized and utilize all of my space. And as you can see, I took out this shelf. So this shelf got moved into the storage unit. Yeah. And then I bought this one, which was shorter, but it comes out longer. It extends more. And that's it. Nothing special, but yeah. First step of getting organized is to organize the closets.